Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. As you already know that inter second year economics exam is on 18th March. Already in my previous video I have uploaded inter second year economics most important questions, most expected questions. The link is given in the comment section, students. But I'm uploading a public exam question paper right now. Have a look, students.